Hey everyone, in today's video we learn how to delete a YouTube channel. So I don't know the reasons you might be looking this video for, but in case you are in the situation of deleting one of your YouTube channels, this video might be helpful. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So to begin with, first things first, navigate to the right account or channel which you want to delete, right? So go to your YouTube studio and on the right top of your screen, just click on switch account. So I had created this channel just for the video purposes, Tech with Saave. I will click on it and navigate to that account. You can see there is no content and no subscribers on this page because this was just for demo purposes. Next, click on settings over here. You can see settings. When you click on settings, click on channel and then click on advanced settings. Once you do that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you can see over here remove YouTube content. Just click on it. Now understand that YouTube will again ask, since you are taking a definitive step of deleting or removing your content. So YouTube will ask again your password details to re-verify so that you no one is hacking into your system or no one is using your account to do the thing which you don't want to, right? That is deleting your channel. So once you enter your password or verify your account, the next step will be you will be given two options, either to hide or delete your content. So hide your content means your channel will be basically hidden. That is your channel page name, content, likes, subscriptions, everything will be hidden, kind of like the option you get on Facebook to deactivate your account. That means it's temporarily not visible in searches, no one can see your existing uploaded content, photos, anything on Facebook. Similar is this option of hide your content. So if you are not sure if you want to delete your channel or not, you can do this option of hide my content so that no one will be able to search and check for your content. But if you are very clear that you want to permanently delete your channel, the first step would be selecting this option. The following will be permanently deleted. Just go through this comments that you made on YouTube. So it's not only your content but even what you commented on other videos, other channels, your replies and thumbs up on comments, your YouTube gift settings, your search and watch history, right? So everything, any paid subscriptions that you own, that is YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, and channel memberships will be cancelled. You still have access until the end of your billing cycle. That means, so consider this is your own personal account and you had uploaded some videos, okay, not a brand channel or any purposefully done channel. In that case, if there is any YouTube Premium linked, any channel membership which you have taken, all will be cancelled. So it's not only about deleting your content, your channel, everything associated with it, what you have done will be deleted. So I am going to delete my channel because this was just a demo purpose channel which I had created. So I will just click on delete my content. Now you have to type in your channel name. These are just ways of uh, YouTube considering and double checking your channel and authorization to delete the content. Now you can see your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content, right? So basically this is the proof that YouTube has processed your request and it will be done and your channel will be deleted. So this is what it is to delete your channel, and there is no other way to do it. These are the steps which you have to follow. Irrespective of whichever mode you take, you can initiate this process via YouTube app as well or on your desktop as well. You eventually it will lead to this pages, the steps which we saw in this video. I hope this was useful. If you have any query pertaining to this, do drop in the comment section and do subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave if you haven't yet.